Hey friends, if you wish to use iCloud on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for iCloud here and hit enter. You'll find the iCloud app in this list and click on it and select install. This will need a while to install, so we will wait till then. And I'll tell you what to do after installing it. You need to log in using your Apple ID. So it's so easy. I mean, Google apps are not on Microsoft Store, but you will definitely find Apple apps on Microsoft Store. So this is how it works. Now let's wait till it installs. Okay, now that it's installed, you can open it and then you can log in using your ID. Okay, I mean, my password is something here. But you got it out. The password was incorrect, but you can log in using your own password. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.